rabbit. Run, rabbit, do. The big bad man will get you. Run, rabbit, run. Run to mom. The rabbit ran and ran. It ran to mom. Mom hid the rabbit. The big bad man cannot get the rabbit. Can you read like this?
If not, let's learn.
If not, let's learn.
So, today we are going to show you how to teach reading to early learners. We cannot expect from kids to read sentences at once. There are some stages to follow to practice the reading. The first stage is knowing the sounds of the letters. That means knowing the phonic sounds of the letters. So, let's start from the phonic sounds group 1. Okay, then let's start. Right? Now listen to the song and tell me what is the sound we are going to learn first. Okay? Right. Listen to the song. The snake in the grass, the snake in the grass, the snake in the grass. Yes, what is the sound we are going to learn? Ah, very good. Sound, right? We are going to learn sound. Then what is the letter for sound?
S.
S. Very good. Show me. Right, very good. This is the letter for sound, right? Letter S for sound. Right. Okay. Now listen to the next song, right? Then tell me what is the sound you are going to learn. Right, okay. Eh, answer my yam. Answer my yam. Answer my yam. They are causing me alarm. Yes, what is the sound? Very good. The sound is a. Then what is the letter for sound? A. Yes? A. Yes, give me. Right, very good. The letter A for a sound, right? Letter A for a sound. Right, okay. Now you know two sounds. No? What is the first sound you learned? Sound. And what is the next sound you learned? A. Right. Then with that two letters, right, form the word as. Right, very good. Right? As, right? A, as, a, as. Right, okay. Now listen to the next song, right? When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. What is the sound? Very good. What is the sound? Right? Then what is the letter for sound? T. Letter T. Then show me. Very good. Right? Letter T for sound. Letter T for sound. Okay. Right? Right. Now take the letter for sound. Take the letter for sound. Right. Then take the letter for sound. Right. Then take the letter for sound. Okay. Very good. Now form the word as first. Form the word as first. As. Form the word as first. As. Right. Very good. Right. A. As. As. as, right? Then form the word at. Form the word at. At. Very good, right? Very good. Here, at, 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 at. Right. Now form the word. Now form the word sat. Form the word sat. Very good, right? Here, sat. 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 Right. Right, okay. Now listen to the next song, right? Then tell me what is the sound you are going to learn next. Okay? Puff out the candles on pink PK. Puffs out the candles on the pink PK. Puff, puff, puff. What is the sound you are going to learn? Very good. What is the sound? Yes, what is the letter for p sound?
P.
P. Very good. Then show me the letter P. Right, okay. Then letter P for p sound, right? Letter P for p sound. Right, now form the word, again form the word as. Again form the word as. As, right. Very good. As, right. Then form the word at again. Yes, form the word at. Ah, very good. Yes, at. At, right? At, at, at. Yes, then, right, now form the word packed. Packed. Packed, very good, right here. A, pat, and pat, pat. Okay, now we are going to listen to a song, right? Listen to the song and tell me what is the sound you are going to learn. Okay? Yes, what is the sound you are going to learn? I sound. Very good. Then what is the letter for I sound?
I.
I. Letter I, right? Letter I for I sound. Letter I for I sound, right? Then, right. Okay. Now you form the word is. Form the word is. Form the word is. Very good. Is, right? This is the word is, right? This is the word is. Is, right? Then form the word. Then form the word it. Hmm. Yes, very good. It, right? It, it, right? Okay. Then form the word sit. Form the word sit. Very good. Sit, right? Here. E, sit, right? Sit. Right. Now form the word pit. Form the word pit. E. Very good. Right. Very good. Here. P. and e, p, and it, right? Pit, pit. Okay, the next one, right? This is the last sound in the group 1, okay? Hear the aeroplane, Hear the aeroplane, Hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. What is the sound you are going to learn? Very good. Then show me the letter for Yes, what is the letter for
N.
N. Very good. Then this is letter N and it is for the sound Right. Okay. Now you form the word N.
E.
Very good. And and right. And yes. Yes. Then form the word in.
E.
Right. Very good. Here. I. I. In. Right. Then form the word pin. Form the word pin. Well done, well done. Right, okay, then here P, P, right, and pin, pin, right. Yes, then form the word pan, pan. Very good, pan, right. Yes, well done. Yes, p, a, pa, pan, pan. Right, okay. Yes, like this, you can teach your kids and students to read well. Right, this is the group A. Right, this is the group A of phonic sounds. Right, let's meet again with the group 2. Okay, thank you. Yes, goodbye all.